Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker to the exterior lighting circuit, safety first. Once off, confirm the bulb type and have a matching replacement ready, because LEDs and incandescent differ in voltage and base. Next, set up a stable ladder and test the fixture with a non-contact voltage tester to verify power is truly off. While on the ladder, loosen the fixture cover and inspect the socket and wiring for obvious damage so you know what repair path to take. With power still off, examine the socket for green corrosion, cracked insulation, or a loose center contact. Those cause intermittent lighting. If the socket looks bad, remove it and replace the pigtail. Cut back to healthy wire, strip about 1/2 inch, twist conductors and secure with proper wire nuts rated for outdoor use. Once reassembled, restore power briefly to test the new bulb and connections. If light still fails, check the switch and breaker continuity next, because the problem can be upstream. After a successful test, turn power off again and reassemble the fixture, applying silicone sealant at seams to keep moisture out. This prevents future corrosion. Restore power and run the light for 10 to 15 minutes while checking for flicker or heat at the socket, which could indicate a poor connection. If problems persist despite correct bulb and new socket, troubleshoot the switch and circuit. If you find burned wires, tripped GFI, or uncertain wiring, stop and call a licensed electrician to avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.